Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. It is day 2, and our story is Seeker of Knowledge. And I hope that you are enjoying the story so far. I hope you have taken the initiative and gone ahead and started to read this story. Very exciting, very interesting, and good story. So let's jump back in and look at our spelling words. Let's do a quick review. Say them with me as I say them out loud. We have television, we have telescope, we have telephone, we have translate, we have transplant, we have transportation, we have televise, we have telecast, and we have transcript. Good job. Give yourselves a round. I heard you loud and clear. I'm so proud of you. All right, as I promised you yesterday, we would take a look at the rest of our list for the prefix tele today. Remember, we said that this was a review this week, and we were looking at also the prefix trans, which we will cover later on. So, our meaning again, as we separate two different columns because we have to look at two different pieces when we're decoding and using our phonics skills. Tele, meaning over a long distance. And so, and I'm going to go ahead and back out of that little piece. I didn't mean to leave that one there. So we talked about telescope yesterday, and we talked about television. So today we're going to talk about telephone and televise. All right. So we've all used the telephone today's day and age. We all live with the telephone. Okay. So looking over here at our new word meaning, we've underlined on this side, of course, as we always do, our prefix when we pick that out. And our base for our root word, phone, has the root word meaning of sound. You know that you get sound from your phone. Many of you listen to TikTok videos, you are watching or listening to music, you're talking to your friends, you're living on that phone. So therefore, when I connect my prefix, which is tele, to my root word of phone, I get a meaning of sound that travels over a long distance. And you know that to be true because we can use the phone to call anywhere, just about anybody, whenever we want to. So do not forget, I always tell you, you can use the dictionary. That is your best friend. It can be your tool. You can even look it up on your telephone or any other electronic device. All right, let's look at televise. Televise is part of a television. Okay, so this one was a little bit different because the word vise, it was connected to, or it was part of that, the television. So when I looked that up, because like I said, we always rely on our resources. So it's part of the word television. And I can use my prior knowledge to identify with the meaning of television because I know it's something I watch. I know it's something that we learned yesterday. It gives us pictures over a long distance. So therefore, television is to transmit, or therefore televise is to transmit by television. If your favorite show is coming on tonight, it's going to be televised or televised by your favorite show or by your television. You're going to get that information through your TV. All right. So now to wrap up today, your job is going to be to do telecast on your own. I know you can do it. You've got that amazing brain power up here. I work with you every week and I know how awesome you are. So I've already underlined the prefix tele. You're now going to determine the meaning of the root word cast, and you're going to connect these two. You're going to create your own meaning, and you're going to post your answer in the comment box for your teacher. I know you can do it. I'm proud of you. Give yourself a pat on the back for your hard work today, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye bye for now.